So we went to Ross today, and then we found these. This one looks so cute. Look, Charlie. $15, and then we went to Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. Say it real quick. We went to Cracker Barrel.
Well, you're gonna have to cut that out.
Okay, so then we went to Cracker Barrel. We went to Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel.
We went to Cracker Barrel. I can't say it. What the hell? We went to Cracker Barrel.
There we go.
All slow motion Cracker Barrel. Critters. But look, they're disguised as like little fruits and like that. This looks so cute. The pink one. Or this one, the yellow one. They all look cute. So we're trying something different. We're trying something different. Let's see what we get. So I say we go with this one first.
Okay. You can open it?
No, you open.
Okay. Now where's the...
It should have the little zip thingy on the side.
No, don't.
Make one. What we get?
Didn't you see one on? Oh my god, bro, what the hell?
We got the pink one. Look at her.
I can't open it.
We're doing it.
I'm trying.
Girl,
get away.
Look at her. Oh, she's so cute. Come here.
Her name is...
Oh.
Her name is Tara.
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 The cute one. She's a little cutie.
This one feels heavy, right? Feels heavy.
Okay. Until the next
You say
one.
this felt heavy, right?
Kind of, yeah. I don't know.
What do you think of we would get?
You really want me to say? And then what do we get it? Oh, I
No,
like
hell
her.
no, don't
I
say
like
anything.
her vibe. I like her. Look at her with her long hair. It reminds me of me. My long hair.
Of course.
Oh, but then I want to know what this is. I want to know how this one looks.
I know it's a squirrel though.
Squirrel.
Okay. I want either like this one or that one. I don't know.
They all look cute. They all
Okay.
look cute.
Oh, that was Phil. I can't open it. Okay.
Do it.
I'll try this side. No, I'm not trying that side.
One eternity later.
You want me to do it?
Keep pushing.
You want me to do it?
Look, look.
Okay, hold on.
What the hell? How'd you do that?
Muscles. I work out. I'm just joking.
Like,
Ooh, look at the
kidding.
mystery bag.
Actually, I'm actually gonna crash out. Oh, it's not.
Look at her.
Her name is Bear. No, I think I said one of these two.
Oh, that's so true. Oh, it kind of looks the same. She cutie though. Look at her. She cute. With her little hat.
Yeah.
I love these. We should definitely get more.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Get into
Ew.
Hell